is up, guys? JT Resident Dog Fishing, back with you. Got a Gheenoe project today. Can't fish the next couple of weekends, so I'm going to put a refresh and a shine on my Gheenoe. I'm going to turn this into this. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'll show you all the problem areas. This is obviously the rear areas, stains and nasty. A lot of the gel coats wore off there. Same here where I stand to run. That just doesn't look clean. Moving up here, again, stains and whatnot. So we're gonna sand her down, clean her up. So the first step in refreshing it, I gotta take everything out. I'm pulling every screw, every nut, every bolt. I'm gonna get down to the bare fiberglass. We're gonna sand it and we're gonna refresh it. Alright, so the sanding's done. Obviously you can see it's nice and dusty, but I'm going to take it out in the sun and hose it out, let her dry. And I got just a little bit of glass work to do up on the top of the seat. I want to fill those holes before I start the gel coat. Alright, so got her hosed out and I'm just letting it sit out here and bake in the sun so it's good and dry. And then we'll get her back in the garage so I can glass over the 4 holes here. Let's do it, man. So this is where we're at after just about 1.5 quarts of gel coat. But she is coming along nice. All right, game time. For the most part, gel coat's done. I think I'm gonna mix up another small batch. Just go around and do some touch up. There's some areas like that I want to make it look a little bit better. So just do some touch up through here with a small batch, and then we'll get into doing the blue splash or spackle or however you want to, whatever they call it. I don't know what it is, but I know what the look I want to go for. So we'll see how that turns out. This workbench is a mess, but taking my white gel coat, I've got my pigment dispersion, mixed it up, got my blue to make my splashes. So, see how it works. Alright, so I worked through and did the splashes. Used just a stir stick and whipped it around. And then to get some of the smaller strips and stripes, I used the paintbrush. What do you guys think of it so far? Got a lot of work done on it. Stripped out, sanded down, fiberglass work done, and the blue accent stripes put in. I'm by no means a boat builder or professional at doing this. This is my first run at it on a big scale. I think it's coming together pretty good. Drop me a line in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. If you got any tips or tricks, by all means let me know. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss part 2, where it really starts coming together. See you then.